Hello, dear friends. Good morning to one and all present here, distinguished guests, fellow participants, organizers, and my dear colleagues and friends. I am Professor Dr. Swapnil Arsad from Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, presenting my paper entitled Social and Other Impacts of Lockdown Due to COVID-19. First of all, I shall read the abstract of this paper. There are many ill effects of lockdown due to this COVID-19. The world has been thoroughly disturbed due to the incept of this COVID-19 nowadays. But as far as India is concerned, we are less affected. Then general observations due to the outcome of COVID-19, part 1. The lockdown period actually has taught us what is really important in our life and what is not important. What should be the priorities of life? What should be the priorities of life to be finalized? And just focus upon the basic things and discard the unuseful and wasteful things. Remember, friends, most patients have died because of fear of death, about dying due to dreaded coronavirus, and not due to actual infection. Then children's related activities like pornographic crimes have been increased. Cyber crimes have shoots up. The local crimes, on the contrary, have declined these days. Then the students, teachers, faculty members, administrators, graduation and university people are confused. Even the parents are confused about the exams, results and the next year admissions, etc. Worldwide, people are eagerly awaiting about the effective vaccine or effective antibody treatment. So in all, psychologically, psychiatrically, the common person is really disturbed, and there is little bit chaotic situation in the lower income group. The farmers, farm workers, daily wagers, really tremendously, they are having tremendous hardship. And these are the real people who are mostly affected by prolonged lockdown and curfew period. Then excess addiction of mobile, internet has been recorded a stiff hike, a very stiff hike in the strict lockdown period. Then the list of essential commodities have now been changed. The mask sale has increased. Tissue paper, sanitizers, handkerchiefs have occupied important place in our day-to-day life. Even the private medical practitioners, they have increased their fees during this lockdown period. And there is really dearth of specialist doctors, medical practitioners, nurses, ward boys, cleaners, sweepers. But political people have their own views. And the large-scale employment everywhere is seen. Air travels, rail travels, and sea route travels are not finding the takers. Olympic Games have been cancelled, and the working hours are varied from 8 hours to 12. Then finally, I read the conclusion and the summary. I am very much optimistic that India, under the able leadership of our visionary Prime Minister, then big thinkers, policymakers, technocrats, intelligent bureaucrats, large number of well-wishers throughout the globe, India will definitely beat this deadly virus and will come winner finally. India will emerge new superpower after COVID-19 era definitely will end in few months, and India will have effective vaccine over coronavirus within 1 or 2 months. Already India has shown tremendous tolerance, strong resilience and lowest mortality rate as compared to the globe or the world. Our people, our Indian people are most united, strong, and are emerged winners in this war against COVID-19. Thank you very much.